Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. In today's video, we're going to do a black on blackety black Chevy Lowrider truck. I think it's going to be pretty sweet. I saw this truck while I was cruising around on Instagram last night. It's got a glossy visor on there. Hard to see, but it's got black wheels. This little Chevy here is going to look real good. It's already got tinted windows, so that's the plan today, okay? So maybe I'll just start by pulling this apart. She's a little crusty. Solid limousine tint. Remind me to put a little glue on this visor, like to secure that a little bit better. Man, look at that. It's just pure slag at this point. Really went the extra mile on this one to take care of all of the little body casting marks that were on the front end of this one. I want the paint to just flow over the hood. I got to get this thing glued. And I got to get this box glued. This thing's just kind of jingly jangly. To glue these parts in place today, we're going to go to Starbond, of course. They've even sent me the new pump sprayer accelerator. Probably just glue around this here rivet. One spray of this. Insta set. Gleek, gleek, gleek. We'll do the box too since she's kind of loose. And remember, you can save 10% on all your Starbond purchases from Amazon or Starbond.com if you use the code Jimmy10. You could save yourself a few bucks. When you buy one 2-ounce bottle of Starbond, you get 2 caps, a whole bunch of precision tips, the little needle unclogger tip, and you get yourself 2 ounces of premium CA glue. There you go. Check out Starbond. They're my favorite. There, no more shakies. She's solid. So we can continue prepping. Doesn't that Scotch Brite do a good job? I think I should get a picture, maybe. All her paint stripped off. She looks pretty sweet. Gonna move on to the base here. I just wanted to get this thing kind of scuffed up and prepped. I really want to mimic this kind of satin finish that's on this truck here, right? These are the Humvee bodies. that I did the other day in the clear coat test video. I'll leave a link up here if anyone's interested in learning about Createx clear coats. This is the matte clear coat and this is the satin clear coat. This looks like it's a little bit shinier than what we need. I'll probably make a little mixture of in between. I'll add a little bit of matte to our satin and I'll probably come up with something in between, and that should be just perfect is what I'm thinking. While I'm in the spray booth, I'm going to do some wheel painting as well. Got some mags here that I think are going to look sweet. So I'm going to hit these with a little bit of candy black, and we're going to make these satin as well to match the bumper and the door handles and everything else. Check it out, here's the black Mamba reassembled. I think she's looking pretty slick. I love the satin finish on the wheels and the bumper and grille. I think it turned out really well. The slotted black wheels just looking pimp on this truck. I was pretty happy to try out the Createx satin clear coat again in the real world kind of application, and it worked flawlessly. As always, make sure you leave a like to support the channel, say hello in the comments, and I'll be back maybe tomorrow with the mystery machine. We will see. Take care, guys. See you later.